So I decided to share with my anybody who subscribes to me my cannoli shell evolution. So this is the first cannoli shell I ever cooked, and you can see I didn't seal the ends right there. You're supposed to seal them with water so it doesn't open up. Here I sealed the ends really good, and it didn't open up on me, but it was kind of big, although pretty good. The second one here, the lard, the frying mixture got too hot, so you see the burnt edges. Went on to this one, I kind of realized take it out a little quicker, and still a little burnt edges, not much uniformity in color, as you saw there. And what is this one right here? This one I believe I started lowering the temperature on the oil. And you can see the uniformity in color is getting better. These ones I also rolled out very thick. These ones I started rolling out thinner and thinner and thinner and thinner. Overall, I found that if you think that it's maybe just thin enough, it's probably not thin enough. So that's the interesting thing. I got the filling there. So overall, gotta fill some of these up and see what they look like.